In this exercise, we'll be using two meshes to create a table. One is the cube and two is a circle. To begin with, let's go to the edit mode by hitting tab. Go to face select and select the top face. Scale in by hitting E, S and scale in. Extrude up by hitting E, Y, E and extrude up. Scale out by hitting E, S and scale out. So now we have the base and we have the top of the table. Let's just make this a little bit thicker by hitting E and scale up a little bit. There you go. Now we need to make this a little round. To do that, we'll be using a loop cut. Now we need to make a loop cut along this. Let's go to loop, select loop and click. Let's do another one here, click. Let's go back again to select box. Let's go to face mode, select this one. We can select by hitting shift and click on the faces that you want to select. And now we want to scale this in by hitting E, S and scale in. Let's make the base a little bit flat by selecting this face, extrude and scale out, E and scale. Let's make it a little bit thicker by hitting E and scale down. Now it is the base of our table. Now let's go to Shift A to add a cycle. Let's go to the move tool. We click and make the cycle become active. Let's move it up. Let us go to the front view by hitting 1 on our NUMB-PAD and drag using this grab tool. Drag it down using the handle, the Z handle, and scale out by hitting S and scale out. Now we want to get this surface of the cycle. In order to do that, go to edit mode and click vertex. In edit mode, vertex select, hit F for face to put a face on the cycle. Extrude a little bit up by hitting E and scale up. Now we have the top of the table. In our next video, we will look at how to bevel the sub edges of this table.